In this video, I'll show you how to set a stop loss and take profit on Axiom Pro. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So the first thing you need to do is open up and log into your Axiom Pro account. If you don't already have an Axiom Pro account, I'll leave you a link down below in the description. I'll give you 10% discount on all your trading fees forever. So once you've made and logged into your account, you're going to come to a page that looks like this. You might also be in the Pulse tab with your new pairs, final stretch, and your migrated tokens. And in order to set up a stop loss, we're just going to pick a coin to demonstrate. Once you're in your coin, you're going to go right over here under the buy sell section, and you're going to see advanced trading strategy. You're going to toggle this on. Then you're going to have the option to add. Click on that. And let's set up a stop loss first. Click on stop loss. And right here, we're going to put, if the price reaches 30% of where we bought in, we want to sell 100% of what we hold. Now, if we go back to add, let's set a take profit. So now let's say the price reaches 100% of what we bought in. We want to sell 50% of what we hold. We just do that. And right here under Insta Trade, you have the option to select advanced on and off. So when you have it on, and every time you click buy, it automatically adds your stop loss and your take profit level. You can also just sell whenever you want. So if I want to sell 100% right now, there we go. Well, we made a 11% profit. After every trade, just cancel your orders if you didn't hit them. Now, if you're not trading meme coins and you're actually trading perpetuals, we're just going to go right over here to perpetuals. And to add a stop loss, you're going to go right over here and click on this TP/SL, toggle that on. And right here for your take profit, you're going to enter in the price that you want to take profit at. So right now, price is at 103. So if you want to take profit when it reaches 104, you would enter 104 and the percentage that you want to take out. So if you want to take out all of your money, you put in 100%. And for your stop loss, you just enter in the price that you want to put a stop loss at. For example, if it reaches 103, you put in 103 and enter in the percentage that you want to withdraw. For example, if you want to take out all your money, if it hits that mark, put in 100%. And if it hits that, you'll sell 100%. If you only want to take out 50% of your profit when it reaches a certain price, for example, if it reaches 104, you only want to take out 50% of your profit and leave the rest in. How much higher it can go, you can do that. And that's how to set a stop loss and a take profit in Axiom Pro. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.